Hey, what's up, wing holder? So what's going on, wing holder? Today video is going very special for wing holder and very urgent. Exactly, my friend. This time the wing is starting moving up. They are jumping starting now, but this is good news for everyone, my friend. Today starting moving now. You can see here this is the live. You can see here this is the live trading view. You can see here they're going up. So my friend, I have one good news also and special. This is live price prediction to upcoming days. They going up or they fails down. Exactly, this is very big question for everyone, my friend. To everybody know this today going up in upcoming days or they fails down. So if you know about this today going down or they fail they going down or they going up, then absolutely you are be safe from more loss. So this time, my friend, you can see here they starting moving up again, but this time you can see here they again fails down. You can see here this point, but you can see here if you check out this time they take a very high jump, my friend. This is very high jump. You can see here after a very bad fall, my friend, they take a long jump, and I think this time you can see here after a jump they fails down again. So this is the circulation, my friend, of a Bitcoin moving in this style. Everybody know this today moving in this style. To after a fails they take a dump, after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So exactly, my friend, this time they very badly fails down. You can see here the minus 0.011 change occur, my friend, this time. Okay, this time in the latest price of Bitcoin, my friend, as 0.001181 US dollar, and this time you can see here they completely fails down. So I think the last 1 hour you can see here this time the last 24 hours, sorry, the last 24 hour change occur as 0.56 percent, my friend. So this is not a small change occur, very big, my friend. But in upcoming charts, I hope, my friend, you can see here after this fails, after this fail they take a very high jump. Exactly, my friend, they take a very high jump. If you want to know about this to how I tell you, my friend, today going up after this bell, then you check my previous days previous videos. Otherwise I tell you, my friend, to after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. This is circulation style, my friend. So this time if you can see here after a fails they take a long jump. You can see here, and after this jump they also fails down. You can see here. So after this point I know to they take a very high jump like this. Exactly, my friend, they are moving in this style. So a wing holder, I hope you understand. Yes, you can see here they starting jumping again now, my friend. They starting again jump. You can see here the candle is starting and the red, my friend. So it's mean to they starting moving up. Exactly, my friend, they starting moving up. Okay, let's check out, my friends. This is starting now. I come back here, my friend, but first of all I want to show you the last market cap charts, etc. वगैरह. Okay, my friend, this time you can see here the market cap is 2.61% go down. So big co-holder, I think this is profit time. They give you very good profit. Full diluted market cap is 2.75%, and this time you can see here the man over right, my friend. This time you can see here volume of last 24 hour as very badly falls down. So I think you can see here 39.50% they falls down. So this is very bad news for everyone, because the volume as falls down, also the price is decreased now, my friend. This time you can see the price, I think, decreased, and the last 7 days the price is very high, but this time in the last 1 hour, in the last 24 hour, the price is very badly decreased, my friend. And also you can see here this time this starting increasing now, because the change occur and positive. So congratulations everyone. I think this is good time to you buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. Please click the subscribe button, my friends. Subscribe this channel for more latest news and updates. Click the red button for subscription. Thank you so much. My brother, if you can see here this time they again starting moving up. You can see here this time make a green candle. So it's mean to they starting moving up, my friend. Okay, let's see, my friends, today moving up or they fails down. Please comment, my brother, to what you say. Can they go up in upcoming days or they fails down? Exactly, my friend, I tell you, my friends, today going up in upcoming days. What you say, please tell me in a comment box, my friend. You also know about the candles towards this present, my friend. The red is represent the selling, and the green candle is represent the buying, my friend. Oh my goodness, they fails down, my friend, more. But one point this come down, my friend, they take a very high jump. Exactly, remember to after you can see here after this fails they take a very high jump. So exactly, my friends, wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit. They gone up, they starting moving up. Okay, my friend. So Wink, my friend, is very cheap price coin, and I know this is very altcoin, my friend. If you want to invest in Wink coin, exactly this is good for you. Yes, exactly this for good for you, my friend. This time you can see here the question is, how do you feel about Wink today? So let's see, my friends. If we feel good, my friends. So let's click out the good to how many people feel good. Let's check out, my friend. Okay, this time the result is finding now. Okay, let's come back, my friend, this time for more result, more details, my friend. This time if you can see here, price change occur, my friend's price change occur very highest, lowest, my friend, at 0.006992, and here if you can see here the lowest at 0.001205 and the highest at 0.00, sorry, this time, yes, the lowest is here, upward, my friend. Yes, exactly, 1 minute. Yes, exactly, my friend. 0.006992 as the lowest, and jump and dump, and here as the 0.001205 as the highest jump, my friend. So this time if you can see here the chain occur trading volume, exactly, my friend, this time 52.39%. What a gain, my friend. They take a very high jump in the last 24 hours, my friend. So the market cap rank, if we check out, my friends, I think 152, they very barely fell down, my friend. But I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they cross it 100 rank, exactly, they can come to 100 the rank, my friend. So I hope they can easily hit it. Please, my friend, I think this is holding time, don't sell it, wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit, my friend. You can see here this time they're starting moving up, so exactly good news for everyone today, starting moving up. I hope in upcoming time the price is increasing now. So please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest news and updates.